You are going to love the 2018 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power lift gate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, security alarm, cloth bucket seats, driver vanity mirror. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.